Reversal operation of the continuous time signal is of two types, time reversal and amplitude reversal. In the previous lecture, we saw the time reversal operation of the continuous time signal. So in this lecture, we will see the amplitude reversal operation of the continuous time signal. We know that a continuous time signal or CTS is a function of independent variable time t, which is defined for all the values of this independent variable t. This continuous time signal can be represented by xt, where x is the dependent variable and t is the independent variable. Amplitude reversal operation is a signal processing operation that flips the signal xt about x-axis, or the amplitude reversed signal is the reflection of the signal xt about the horizontal line. In this operation, the signal is multiplied by -1. This is also known as the amplitude folding operation of the signal xt. Mathematically, this can be shown as yt is equal to k into xt, where k is equal to -1, or we have to plot yt is equal to minus xt. This is the one type of signal scaling operation where the signal is multiplied by -1. Let's consider a system which does the amplitude reversal. So input to the system is xt and the output of the system will be yt, which is the amplitude reverse version of the input signal xt, or yt is equal to minus xt. Let's see an example to understand this amplitude reversal operation. The condition for the amplitude reversal operation of the signal xt is yt is equal to k into xt, where k is equal to -1. So we have to plot the signal yt is equal to minus xt. Now we will make a table for observing the different values of the signal xt at different time instants t. Now let's take a signal xt. On the time t is greater than or equal to -1 and less than 0, then the value of the signal xt is equal to 1. On the time t is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 2, then the value of the signal xt is equal to 2. When the time t is equal to 3, then the value of the signal xt is equal to 0. To perform the amplitude reversal, we have to flip the signal xt about the x-axis, so the amplitude of the signal xt will be completely reversed. So the time interval of the signal xt and the amplitude reversed signal yt will remain same, but the amplitude will be completely reversed. So for the time interval t greater than or equal to -1 and less than 0, the value of the signal xt will be reversed, or yt is equal to minus xt, then the value of the signal yt will become -1. And again for the time t is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 2, the value of the signal xt will be reversed for the signal yt, or the value of the signal yt is equal to -2. And finally, when the time t is equal to 3, the value of the signal yt is equal to 0. So this is the amplitude reverse version of the signal xt, which is achieved simply by multiplying the signal xt by -1. And if we take a look at the amplitude reverse signal, then we can see that the amplitude and the duration of the signal does not change. Only change is that the signal is flipped about x-axis, hence the amplitude reversal operation takes place. Let's take another signal like this, and this signal has the value from t is equal to -3 to 0. To perform the amplitude reversal, we simply just reverse the amplitude axis. So this is the amplitude reverse version of the signal xt, where the signal is multiplied by -1, as the amplitude -2 here of the signal xt is replaced by 2 in the signal yt. This concludes our discussion for this lecture. In the event that you have any question regarding this presentation, feel free to post them in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.